wait. We got it. We got it. I thought the day would never come. But today we have an early look at a pair of sneakers that I'm actually very excited for. Let's get it. What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It is your boy NEPHRITE. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I hope you guys are having a very blessed day. In today's video, as you can see from the thumbnail and the title and the intro, I hope you guys found that a little bit enjoyable. But today we are reviewing some sneakers. Today we are going to be taking a look at the Air Jordan 11 in the legend blue colorway, and I'm really excited because unlike 3s and 4s, which are my favorite silhouette, 11s are like the next best thing for me. And I'm very excited too because I've never actually owned this colorway before. I've never owned the highs, and now this year, as we know, they are releasing the low. This is slated to release April 24th, which is this upcoming Saturday. So if you're going for these, let me know. I will go ahead and we will do a full review right now, as well you can go ahead and see this. These will be $185, so let's go straight into it. First and foremost though, gotta go ahead and say, before we actually get into the review, thank you guys so much for the love and support that you guys show. It really means a lot. We are on the race to 500 subscribers by the end of the year, and honestly, with all of the support that you guys are showing, I need to go ahead and actually up it up, because literally I think we're gonna get there faster than anticipated. But still, really appreciate it. Thank you guys just so much for all the love and support. It really means a lot. Another quick shout out too before we actually go into this beautiful review. Thank you so much to the boy, man, to the boy Devontae. I never do early looks, and this is actually because of him. Really quick story, he was able to go ahead and actually get exclusive access. Exclusive access dropped for these, and they also dropped for the, I think it was the Nike SB, the Hawaiian looking ones. I'll post a picture somewhere, but he was actually able to go ahead and hit exclusive access. Nike never loves me, so I don't get it. So he hit me up and he asked me if I want to go ahead and do a review on them, and you know, shoot, I'm gonna be real with you. I really, it's rare. Now, actually, you know what? I've never got early access for anything. So this is the very first review that we've ever been doing. So, you know, I'm always usually late to the party for things, but I'm always thankful for what I have. So I really, man, I appreciate all the love and support that he showed me for this. So this review is actually because of him. So Devontae, I'm pretty sure you're watching this video, and if you are, bro, appreciate it. Another thing is too, we are currently outside, so I just like these. I'm not gonna lie, I like the outside reviews. It's a lot more room for me to work with. I know the wind's kind of blowing, so kind of mind that. I will try my best to go ahead and fix that as much as I can. You know, I might have to go buy myself a little mic, but for the meantime, this is what we got right now. So without further ado, I know you guys are probably tired of me rambling. We're gonna go straight into this review, but I ain't forget this one. But before we go straight into it, we gotta get our headband. So be right back and let's get it. All right, we're back. Got my headband on. If you're brand new to the channel, I feel like I don't talk about this enough, but I think for me, like, the headband is like a signature thing for me. I've always just liked doing that. Really what I like to do is I like to match my clothing with the product that we're reviewing. And today is gonna be kind of, it's a white and blue colorway, so that's kind of why I have a white headband, white shirt, you know. Nike, remember me? So let's go straight into this unboxing. Let me go ahead and get my knife. And dude, I'm actually really geeked about this. I'm not even gonna cap. So let me go ahead and slide it over. And like I said, these are coming out April 24th, which is this Saturday. I've heard that they're having a full-size family run. I saw actually on the apps too that there were retailers that were getting them. So, oh man, my boy Devontae looked at this too, and he told me like right away that they are very fire. And as we unbox this, the first thing we're greeted with is that beautiful Jordan in the Jumpman, the UNC blue, that blue right there. I hope you guys can see that. And I'm not gonna lie, when I first saw pictures of this, like when I first saw they were coming out, that's the one thing that I was like, man, I need. Look at the presentation of this. So beautiful. So you have your Jumpman black with white lettering. As we look around the box, you have a Nike logo right there. I think it's honestly your standard 11 box. I was able to go ahead and get a 10.5. I'll read the description too. So it's Air Jordan 11 Retro Low, 185, size 10.5, legend blue, white, and black, and blue Columbia. See, oh yeah, I forgot, these are also called the Columbias as well. I forgot about this. The legend blue, aka the Columbias. And like I said, 11s are like my favorite favorite sneaker. So there they go right there, and without further ado, we about to go straight into this review. We're about to go unbox it. So let's unbox it. Lift the top, not looking just yet, don't want to spoil nothing. Gotta feel. And as we're gonna do this together, actually.
Damn, son.
Oh my God. We got the right there. Hope the camera can pick up that quality very well. Man, these are insane. These are gonna definitely sell out. Let me go ahead and put the box right there, and we can go straight into looking at it. So this is the right pair, as you can see. Legend blue in all its glory, 23 right there, and then this is the left pair. We're actually gonna go ahead and review left pair first. So starting with the outsole, you do have that legend blue, or aka Columbia outsole right there. It kind of has, there's that carbon fiber right there. You do have, what is it, like the black track pads, looks like a little bit, and then as you go up to the midsole, it's a white milky midsole. I mean, like which regular lows always usually come in, and then as you go up more, you have a glossy, man. Is that patent leather? I think it is. That glossy patent leather, which is very very clean, man. These are honestly pretty fire. As we go up to the toe box a little bit, you see you have your regular, like, you know, your cord laces, and then I'll actually get a little bit closer so you guys can see it too. You do have like your UNC type of like lettering and stitching. The Jumpman, what does it say right there? I can't really tell, but you do have a little baby Jumpman right there. As we go up to the tongue is nice to the touch. Then, as we look inside, let's take out the shoe tree, put it over there. It does say quality basketball product inspired by the greatest player ever. I'll have you guys take a closer look at that. And man, these are sick. I'm not gonna lie, these are very sick. Taking a look at the insole of the shoe, it does have, you have a Jumpman in there, and right there it does have that 23. If you can see, like I said, there is a size tag in there, 10.5. Looking at the back of it, which I think is really clean, you do have a baby UNC blue Jumpman, and then you do have your 23. So these are honestly flame, man. These are so crazy. I'm happy at the fact that Nike and Jordan Brand went ahead and actually made this. This is for sure, without a doubt, going to sell out. I mean, you know, considering the fact that these are this is an OG colorway. Considering the fact that this is an OG colorway, and I know a lot of people probably wanted the highs, but I mean, after seeing these, we're probably not gonna get the highs probably for a while, but still, nonetheless though, this is a clean shoe. This is for sure, without a doubt, going to sell out. So like I said, this is going to be releasing this Saturday, the 24th. Good luck to everybody. I will go ahead and put in the description where you can go ahead and actually find these at. I will also try my best to help people out if I possibly can. Message me over on my Instagram, message me over on my sneaker news page, and if you're looking for these, I'll try to provide information as much as I possibly can. Man, it's just a lot of things that are coming out this year. For the month of April, for this month, this was the sneaker I was like, dude, I really wanted these. I saw them on sneakers and they were going for a draw. I think they recently just changed that, so I'm happy that they went ahead and did that. But I mean, you can't go wrong with 11s. 11s are just honestly really cold. I mean, just look at them, man. Just look at them. I'm not even gonna do more talking. I just want you guys just to admire. So fire. I'm gonna get these things on feet so you guys can see I have a whole different perspective. That way, come Saturday, you can make your decision if you want to go ahead and actually get these beautiful babies. So, man, 11s are beautiful. I honestly love 11s. I just love the colorway. They need to release a lot more 11s. Speaking of them, pause. Cancel the music real quick. Cancel the music. We have a serious discussion to talk about. I don't want to take too much time, but I do want to talk about this. Talking about 11s. There is an 11 that I've never owned to this day. If you're close to me, you know what it is. But I'm pretty sure, as far as the sneaker community goes, a whole bunch of people probably would love for this return. But I'm trying to raise awareness. Nike, Jordan Brand, if you're listening, probably not, but I'm trying to raise awareness, and you guys can too. Bring back the Air Jordan 11 Gamma Blues. Please bring that back. That is like my ultimate grail. I swear to everything that I love, that is my ultimate grail. If they're listening, please, 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 please bring back the Air Jordan 11 Gamma Blues, man. I want those so bad. Those are literally, me personally, those are the cleanest 11s that I've ever actually have seen, honestly. Don't get me wrong, these Legend Blues are fire too, and I would love to have the highs, but at the same time, please, let's come on, guys, let's try to raise some awareness for them Legend Blues, them Gamma Blues. I know we could do it. I definitely know we could do it. So guys, this is basically gonna go conclude today's video of the Air Jordan 11. I hope you guys did love the early look. Like I said, April 24th, 185, full family size run. Check it out. I will try to get early reviews as much as I can. I know it's probably that's like the biggest thing when people love that, because it helps. I feel like it helps people make their decisions when they want to go ahead and buy these products. So just a small little recap, because these are honestly clean. Let's take a look one more time at the box. This is the box that you will be getting. This is my size tag that I got, 185 right there. And this is what they look like, man. This is in all of their glory. These are so fire, dog. Like, these are clean. And the fact that these is an OG, though, they gonna sell out regardless. They're definitely gonna sell out regardless. So there they go. I'll give you guys a little bit of an overview too really quick so you can see that. Just a beautiful sneaker, man. This is just a beautiful sneaker. I can't wait to get these on feet. I have a lot of socks to actually rock with these. Definitely gonna try my best to wear these as much as I can, because these are gonna be a fire shoe. Well guys, this is basically gonna conclude today's video. I hope you guys really did appreciate the review. I hope you guys liked it. Like I said, sorry if the wind was still kind of, you know, a little bit messy today. But still, I like the outside reviews, because like I said, I just get more room. That's just basically why I kind of like doing it like that. We're currently, like I said, we're on the race to 500 subscribers. I know we're gonna get there with the love and support that you guys show, and you know, with everything that you guys do for me, watching, you know, commenting. I see all of it. It really, really, really means a lot to me, guys. So until next time, it is your boy NEPHRITE. Remember, there's only ever gonna be one you. So be the best you. Okay guys, I'll catch you on the next one. Love you, and I'll see you guys later. Peace.
Gems with the heat. Bye.